Okay, hello. My name is Darius, and I am a crypto enthusiast, a trader, and I also teach TA for over 10 years to my students. I also collaborate with different cryptocurrency projects, exchanges, etc. So I can provide a good tools and knowledge to my community. One of the things I want to share with you today is the quite newish exchange. They call themselves Build Your Dream Finance. It's quite a cool design, very intuitive to use, and what's most important, it got what a trader needs. We got spot, we got derivatives markets, and it's very comprehensive, and it's very well packed with different coins and options you can choose. Why I'm recording this video is because I am working very close with this cryptocurrency platform, and I can provide special bonuses to all my community members, such as you who is watching this video. Thanks for that, by the way. What kind of bonuses we talking about? We just show you what you will see when you use my link. If you click on my link, and then as you can see, I am clicking now get started. On the left hand side you will see the current offer that is dedicated especially for my community. So as you can see, you can register with Build Your Dream Finance and get up to 500 USDT in rewards, guys. And this is very generous offer. You won't see that kind of amount of bonuses in any other exchange on the beginning, but that's not everything. You will get a lot of more of bonuses inside the exchange after you finish your registration. Those other bonuses are available for everybody. This particular bonus is only available for my community. So let's look what's coming in this bonus. By a completed KYC after registration, you will get 100 during deposit, up to 200, 10% of the deposit amount. So you can get another up to 200 USDT, 10% of the deposit amount up to 200. It's the second bonus, and after you achieve a futures trading volume of 3,000, another 200 USDT. 3,000 guys, it's for futures, it's just a small piece of work of our daily trader work. So if you're interested, please jump into important notes. Look for yourself. Is it something for you? And after registration, of course, look into the other bonuses. I can just show you over here what can you get just for deposits, but there's a lot of more. As you can see, claim up to 2888 USDT for the new user. And as I was saying, I always got special offers for my community with this and other exchanges that I am working with. So if you watching this in January 2024, this offer is valid till January 2024. But after that date, just give me a shout if you're interested, and we will see if I can offer you something else on this particular exchange or on any other exchange I'm working with. If you want to get some bonuses for a good start in the cryptocurrency market. Why I'm choosing this cryptocurrency exchange, why I'm working with this cryptocurrency exchange, it's all about tools, guys. It's all about tools. And we got everything that we need with Build Your Dream Finance. If you go on markets, guys, there's a lot of markers to trade. On the very bottom, as you can see, on the spot market, you got 479 records. That means 479 coins that you can choose from, and you can go to derivatives. For example, you got your futures contracts here, and on the futures, let me just go back to markets, and there we go. A perpetual, as you can see on the bottom, 181. What is very nice and neat, what I like, it's demo trading, especially for new starters. Guys, don't go all at once. This takes time. It's trading. It's like any other job, and it's something that you have to learn. Demo trading is something for you if you just getting started. And what I really like, when you go back now on the perpetual, and if you go on your okay, here we go. I had to log in just to show you the other great tool that I am very happy with. It's a great thing to have. It's just a second wallet, if you like. So if you want to add a sub wallet, for example, if you want to play on isolated on some coins, and if you want to go all in, like on this exchange, you can go 200 leverage. You can add a sub wallet and play 200 leverage, if you like, or any other leverage on these other wallets, so you don't get all your funds that you have on the futures, on the derivatives involved in the very high leverage trading. So this is very cool thing that is included in Build Your Dream Finance. There's many more quite neat stuff, like collecting points for the activities. You will see this when you log in on your app. You can have your app on iOS and on the Android, and you collecting points. You can exchange points for another bonuses, coupons. You got the lucky wheel draw, and you can win an iPhone and all the other cool stuff. It's really packed with different opportunities to grow your account, and obviously the exchange is trying to share their profits with the people involved in the exchange, which is quite nice thing to do, and it's bringing a little bit of fun in the day-to-day trader activity. So please have a look yourself, and if you got any questions, leave me a comment, and you can also contact me on my Facebook. I will appreciate if you like and subscribe. This is my other channel. I will try to grow this channel from now on, play some more videos about opportunities like this, trading and all other stuff involved in cryptocurrencies. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope I will see you on my next video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.